Hello everyone, welcome to our today lecture. In our today lecture, we are going to discuss that what is meant by unitary elastic demand or unit elastic demand. Basically, unitary elastic demand or unit elastic demand mean when price and demand both are changing by same percentage. When price and demand both are changing by same percentage, then it is called unit elastic demand. And in case of unit elastic demand, elasticity of price is always is equals to 1. Okay, why? Because the same change in price and same change in demand. For example, let's say that the formula for elasticity of price or elasticity of demand is percentage change in quantity demand due to percentage change in price. Here the delta sign is showing percentage as we have mentioned in our previous lecture. So for example, let's say the price is changes by 20% and change in price is 20% and change in quantity demand is also 20%. So when we put these values in elasticity formula, so elasticity of price is equals to 20 divided by 20 and it will give us 1. So in case of elasticity of a unit elastic demand, elasticity of price is always 1. So again I'm explaining that why this is negative sign. The negative sign shows that there is a negative relationship between price and demand. When price increases, demand decreases, so there is a negative relationship between negative relationship between price and demand. So that's why elasticity demand is always in negative value.